Day 2 of the cold and the throat affliction. I'm sat here in the monastery garden vegetarian cafe, and I've got my got some nice healthy granola with pomegranate and bits and pieces, some honey, lemon and ginger. Where am I pointing this camera? I've also got hot water, which they always bring, and I've added some lemsip because I have to get better. I've been up since 5:30 doing yoga and various other things to try and get better quickly, because you'll see why I need to get better quickly as this video progresses.